Zimbabwe, it's time to turn dreams into reality. Listen up. Thank you, Zimbabwe. Fellow Zimbabweans, I can never thank you enough for all the support, spiritual, emotional, material, and political. You have given me and to the cause for a just, prosperous, and great Zimbabwe. Advocate Nelson Chamisa, the face of hope and change, is speaking from the heart. His gratitude is immense, but his determination is even greater. He's ready to lead Zimbabwe into a future where justice isn't just a word, but a way of life. A future where prosperity isn't a dream, but a shared reality for every Zimbabwean. Chamisa's vision isn't just for today, but for generations to come. So let's rally behind it. Let's build a Zimbabwe where greatness is within everyone's reach. Together we can make it happen. Chamisa's got the vision. Do you have the determination? Zimbabwe, the future is ours. Let's seize it.